Hey guys, I'm going to show you today real quickly how to make a fish taco sauce with just 4 ingredients. That's all you need. I usually, if I make fish tacos, this goes on, as a sauce, and then it's also used as a dressing for a fish taco bowl, which I'm actually making tonight. Okay? All right, so let me give you the ingredients. This is roughly a half cup of mayo, the juice of 1 lime, and 2 teaspoons of Tabasco sauce. You can use green or red. And then we're gonna add Tony's. So basically you're going to mix these 3 ingredients together, and then you're gonna add Tony's to taste, to your preference basically. All right guys, so very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lime in and the Tabasco sauce. And then I'll go ahead and mix this up, okay? All right, guys, so I'm just whisking it here. I wanted to tell you that I found these really cool little glass containers at the 99-cent store. And they even have these little lids that come with them. They're glass, but they're really, really nice. I really like them. So then I can just put this in the fridge, put the lid on and put it in the fridge, and it just waits for me to use later on for dinner. And it's yeah, pretty simple. All right, so I think this is pretty much well combined. The lime helps the mayo combine really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and add Tony's now. All right guys, there you go. I added 1 teaspoon to start. Like, I'm just gonna mix it in, and then I'll go ahead and taste test this. In the recipe, it does call for 2 teaspoons. So, but sometimes it makes me cough. So, I'm gonna try it now, and then I'll see if I need some more, okay? All right, guys, I did go ahead and add the 2. Hopefully it's not too spicy for me. I don't think it'll be. Used to be able to do lots of spice when I was younger, but not so much. Okay, so there you go. You can taste test it. Like I said, still go with half a tea. Actually, you know what? I'm so sorry. It's not 2 teaspoons. I was using a half teaspoon. Sorry, this got in the oven and it got messed up. But so you know what? It's 1 teaspoon. So I'm sorry. Scratch all that. Start with half a teaspoon. I'm so sorry, guys. And so I put 2 of these in, so it makes it 1 teaspoon. And I think this is good for me. Okay. All right, guys, I'm so sorry I gave you wrong direction there. There is only 1 teaspoon of Tony's in here. I did start out using a half teaspoon. So I just want you to know that it really is a taste preference. So if you want more, you can. I think the recipe did call, the original recipe called for 2 teaspoons, but that was way too much for me when I first made it. So start with a half teaspoon and go from there. I use 1 and it's perfectly fine. It is so good, guys. I wish you could taste this, and I hope you make it.